Right, what's going on, guys and girls? Something a little bit different. Thank you video. Happens every 1,000 milestones, and guess where we are? 3,000 subscribers. I literally cannot believe it. I'm just chilling out at the old Lavernock Point Forts at the minute, which is like a World War II anti-defence place. It's golden hour, sun is shining, which is absolutely stunning. The video probably should have been made a couple of weeks ago, but I've just been flat out with other commitments, if you like. So we're at like 3,100 and something subscribers at the minute, which is incredible. You know, you obviously like my non-clickbait approach, just the Lone Ranger going out there and doing it, and just doing it for the properties. I hate it at the minute. There's too many people on YouTube want to be YouTube famous, doing it for the money, doing it for all the wrong reasons. That's not what it's about, you know. Exploring, it's an escape. It's going out there, it's capturing the moment, seeing what nature is claiming back, and I absolutely love it. And I'm not going to ramble on and on and on. I just want to thank you. You know, it's brilliant. I really do appreciate it. You know, it's views from all over the world, subscribers from all over the world, which is awesome. That's what you can do in this video if you're watching it. Pop down in the comment section, you know, where about you are on this wonderful globe. That'll be awesome to know. And yeah, we're going to wrap it up there. Don't forget, explores every Tuesday, drone video on a Friday, and if there's anything interesting, I'll mix it up, pop it in there between. But until then, just keep enjoying the beard. Oh, and as some of you have said, why is it in the video? Some of the beard's longer, it's shorter, I look different. Literally, I'm not even lying, I've got some videos from maybe 2 years ago I still haven't uploaded. So, you know, I've been holding them back because the quality isn't as great in some of those because on previous GoPros, etc. But every so often I put one into the mix. And yeah, just to confuse you all, really. So, as of February 2019, this is how it's looking. And it has just been trimmed. So yeah, anyway, peace and love as always. Boss out. Enjoy it, guys. See you all soon.